Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add your business logo to HubSpot CRM. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all the CRM features and tools. After you've logged in and you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options listed there. From this menu, click on Marketing. This will expand a submenu with additional options related to your marketing tools and settings. From the expanded menu, click on Brand. This section is specifically designed for managing your brand assets, including logos, colors, and fonts that represent your business across HubSpot. Now that you're in the Brand section, look for the Logos area. This is where all your uploaded logo files will be stored and managed. Right beside the Logos section, you'll see an Add button. Click on this button to begin the process of uploading your new business logo. This action will open a new interface where you can select and upload your logo file. In the upload interface that appears, click on Upload. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to navigate through your folders and select the logo file you want to use. Browse through your files and choose the logo image that represents your business. Once you've selected it, the file will begin uploading to HubSpot. Depending on the file size, this might take a few moments, so just wait while the system processes and uploads your logo. After the logo has finished uploading, you'll need to input a logo name in the designated field. This name helps you identify the logo within HubSpot, especially if you plan to upload multiple versions or variations later. Choose a name that clearly describes the logo, such as Company Logo Primary or Brand Logo Horizontal. At this point, you also have the option to add logo alt text and a logo URL. The alt text is important for accessibility purposes as it describes the logo to users who may be using screen readers. The logo URL can be used if you want the logo to link to a specific web page when clicked. These fields are optional, but they're useful for optimizing your brand presence and improving user experience across your marketing materials. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and you're satisfied with everything, click Save. This finalizes the upload process and adds your business logo to your HubSpot CRM. Your logo is now ready to be used across various HubSpot tools, including emails, landing pages, and other marketing assets. And that's it. You've successfully added your business logo to HubSpot CRM, and it's now available for use throughout your account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.